Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage M3 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. Download and install the Polar Flow application on the phone that we want to pair our watch with. So go to your phone, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Play Store. In the Play Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Polar Flow. And tap on search. On the list you should see this app. Once you find it, tap on install and wait until the application is done installing. And once it's done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it immediately. And you can tap on accept. And now you should see this pop-up about the permissions. Tap on OK, tap on allow, and then you will see the login page basically, and you can sign in or create an account if you don't have one. And before we log in, or you know what, let's log in now. So let's tap on sign in. If you don't have an account, create one and then log in. Okay, let's enter the email address and password. Okay. No. And after you log in, you will see the this page to set up your profile, so you can change the settings if you want. Then tap on continue, and as you can see, we can basically pair the watch now. And if you want to do it, turn on your watch by pressing and holding the middle button. And if your watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you will see the list of languages on the screen after the watch boots up. And here you can select the language by scrolling through the list, finding the language, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it. And if you want to pair your watch with a phone, select the option on your phone. It will enter the pairing mode. Now we can tap on continue in the app, and the app should detect our watch automatically if it's in the pairing mode. Then we can tap on start, allow, pair, confirm on the watch by pressing the middle button. Here we can allow the permission for the notification access, which allows you to also control the music with your watch on your phone. So if you want to use the feature, allow the permission. Next we have the notification access again, allow it or deny it. And then you will see more pop-ups about the permissions like weather and other like location and stuff like that. It's gonna bother you to allow it for all the time, but I don't want to do it for now, so I'm gonna tap on OK and go back. Now, as you can see, it doesn't give up. And this is very annoying, so I'm gonna tap. Oh, okay, disappeared. Basically, what it wants us to do is tap on OK. It will redirect you, and there you should select all of the time. Allow the location to be tracked all of the time, even though you're not using the app, which is very annoying. But okay. Here we have settings for our watch. We can select the time format, the preferred wrist, the language of our watch, and finally the preferred sleep time. And then we can tap on save and sync. And here we have a tutorial how to use our watch. I'm gonna tap on skip. Then you should see the training page for some reason, but we can tap on menu, tap on devices, and you should see your POLAR Vantage M3 right here on the devices page. As you can see, it's still syncing with our phone, so let's wait until it's finished. As you can see, the watch is ready to use, and if you go here to the app, it should say that last sync was, for example, a minute ago, as you can see. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.